Hello, you amazing magic maker. I am so glad that you joined me. My name is Madame Pamita, and this class is crafting powerful incantations. Incantations are the words that we speak and how powerful they can be. This is going to be an amazing workshop that I know is going to totally change your magical practice in all areas because words are part of almost every magical practice. So, what you're going to need for this workshop is paper, a pen or pencil or quill, like this lady over here. You might want to think before you get started with this workshop about 5 different intentions or wishes that you have. We want 5 different ones because we're going to be doing 5 different types of incantations. And you can add these incantations and actually do the work as you're doing this. So think about 5 different intentions or wishes. Now, here's what we're going to learn in this workshop today. We're going to learn the power of words, the history of spoken words, oral traditions, what is magic, what is an incantation, beliefs about incantations, and then we're going to learn about different kinds of incantations, affirmations, prayer, chants, rhymed incantations, and daily speech. So those are the 5 things that we're going to do, why you need your 5 intentions. And so we can practice all of these. So go ahead, figure those out, and then let's go on to the next segment.